Hi, today we are going to see functions NVL, NVL2 and collage. These are all familiar functions used by the Oracle developers. The main purpose is to let you replace the nulls with another value or expression. The syntax is NVL within parentheses within brackets expression 1 comma expression 2. Okay, if expression 1 is not null, then expression 1 is returned. If expression 1 is null, then expression 2 is returned. Okay, in general the return type will be that of the first expression. We will see one example, then you can clearly understand. Here I am having one table called contact. In contact we are having 4 columns: customer ID, name, office phone and mobile number. What we are going to do is, for these 4 customers, some people they are having both office number as well as the personal number, but some persons, here only 4 records are there. 2 persons, one person they are having the mobile number. He is not, Mr. John Smith is not having the office phone, office number. He is not having his office number, and Ms. Sweta is not having the mobile number. Okay, so if office phone number is not there, we need to write the mobile number. How we are going to do with the NVL function, we will see now. Okay, here already I have written the query and I am going to execute it. Okay, we have got the result. Here in John Smith we are not having the office number. Instead of office number, it is writing the mobile number. That means it has written the mobile number. If the expression 1 is not null, here we will see, and you can easily understand. If the expression 1 is not null, then expression 1 is returned. Here expression 1 is null. That means here for John Smith office number is null, so instead of office number is mobile number will be taken. That is, mobile number will be returned. Here instead of office number, mobile number is returned. Okay, anyway it is writing any one of the number, but if it is not null means it will take the number. If it is null means it will take the mobile number. Instead of office number, it will take the mobile number. This is the example for NVL. Okay, if office number is available, it will take the office number. If office number is not available, then it will return the mobile number. Next function is NVL2. NVL2 is another Oracle specific function. That means we can find this function only in Oracle, which lets you decide which value to return based on whether your specified expression is null or not. And it is not like NVL. It contains 3 arguments. Okay, and it is similar to decode actually. NVL2 expression 1 comma expression 2 comma expression 3. Expression 1 is the one that will be evaluated. If it is not null, then expression 2 is returned. If it is null means then expression 3 is returned. That is the difference between the NVL and the NVL2. Okay, and expression 1 is never returned. It is only used to determine whether the expression 2 must be returned or expression 3 must be returned. Okay, we will see the example, then you can understand. Here I have chosen one more table called contacts. First I will show the contacts table what this contains. Here there is, I have added two more columns. For this NVL2 one column is required, that is call. I have added one more column called call. In that, whether the particular person can be reached or not. Okay. If reached means he has given the flag as yes. If it is not reached means that will be kept null. That means we have not recorded anything. Okay. If he can be contacted through phone means that flag will be set to Y. Okay. Now I am going to execute the query. If it is null, you should not call. Okay, do not call. Here, the flag for Kalyan the flag is yes. For John Smith the flag is null. If it is null means that message should come as do not call. Okay. Similarly, for one more person I have added, for him also that call flag is null. So the message came as do not call. That means these persons cannot be reached. Only the persons with the flag Y can be reached. Here what we have written is NVL2 call, then call office phone number. Okay. If call is yes means then office phone number, flag is yes. If it is null means then do not call. So expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. Yeah, we are evaluating the expression 1. Based on that we have written if it is what? If it is not null, then expression 2 is written. Okay. Here expression 2 is what? Here the expression 2 is we have to call. Okay. Expression 3 is do not call. That means null. Not null means call using the office phone number. Then expression 3 is do not call. Then that message will come do not call. Okay. That is the usage of this NVL2. Expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. We are evaluating the expression 1 and based on that we will be either expression 2 or expression 3 will be returned. Okay. Now we will see collage function. What it will do? It will return the first non-null value from a list of expressions provided. For example, a list of customers, we are having the list of customers. Some customers having mobile phone number, office phone number. Some customers having only mobile. Some customers having only office phone number. But some customers, they don't have mobile number or office number. But some contacts will be there. Either he might have some fax number or email ID like that. If in the list, if you are not having, that means we are going to check all the expressions. That means it will accept any number of expressions or parameters and will return the first of them that is not null. Okay, I think you understood that. For example, the person is not having office number, mobile number, and if he is having the fax number, then fax number will be returned. That means fax number is not null. He is not having fax number, mobile number and office number, and he is having email ID, then email will be returned. Okay. Here expression 1, expression 2, expression 3, n number of expressions we can have. Here we are going to see 3 expressions. One is office, phone number, then mobile, then fax number like that. We will see that query now. See, here office number, phone number and mobile number and fax I have given. Here for Kalyan it is writing the office number. For John Smith there is no, that is office number, so it is taking the mobile number. For Ramesh it is not having either office number or mobile number, it is having only fax number, so it is taking the fax number. So whatever be the first not null, it is taking. Okay. This is the way you should use the collage function. So far we have seen about NVL, NVL2 and collage. These are all some important functions that we very often use in, that we very often come across in the Oracle, and we will use it in the real-time environment. And we Oracle developers will be mostly using it. Okay. Thanks. Bye.